friends, welcome back to another video. I have something new to me that I want to try out today, so fingers crossed this all works out. As you can see, my hair is already blown out. I think I have gotten that down to such a science. I am loving my blowouts nowadays. If you are interested in what products that I use, they are linked in the description box down below. If you want a specific blown out video, because I blow out my hair two different ways. Either way, if you want like in-depth videos on that, leave it in the comments and I can do that for you, because I am definitely wearing my hair blown out a lot more lately. Such a long intro, but as you know, today I am going to be trying out the interchangeable curling iron from Pattern Beauty. Now, this was a bit of a leap for me. If you are familiar with me and my channel, I don't know nothing about curling hair, okay? I am learning a lot about how to take care and manage my natural hair. And so, yes, I love to wear my hair straight. You know, I rely on other tools just to kind of give me a little body, a little ferocity sometimes. But to use an actual like curling iron with my coordination, no, I don't know how to do it. So today we are going to try this out, and this is going to be my first time curling my hair with a curling iron. So if you have any tips, I will definitely listen and take heed. Leave those in the comments as well. I'm sure you have seen everything that comes in this, but y'all ain't seen me talk about it. So here we are. I have already like opened it, but of course I haven't used it. So we have the 3/4 inch barrel, the 3/4 clip barrel, and the 1 inch barrel. I love this. Like, I love how the packaging is really good for storage as well. It's crazy. And then of course we have the interchangeable base. It also came with the traveling pouch and a glove, which I guess I'm gonna have to use today because I'm gonna try and wand curl my hair. Oh my goodness. So let me go ahead and set this up and kind of let them warm up, and when we come back, child, we gonna try and curl this hair. Okay, so I already have it attached. It's really cute. I love how like Pattern designs this thing. So you literally pop it on and you slide it over to lock it, and then to unlock it, you're just gonna turn this right back. To adjust the temperature, sorry, it's blurry, y'all. You go up here, down here. It goes all the way up to 425. Y'all know I like heat. When I'm straightening my hair, I'm working on that. Oh, it is starting to smell like a salon. But today I chose 325. I felt like that was a little safe for me and my hair. And I'm assuming that it is going to blink until it gets there. So I'm just gonna let it sit on this little mat. I'm gonna collect my items. I'm also gonna watch a little TV. The rest of this will be a voiceover. Wish me luck, y'all. For heat protection, I went in with OPP, 1 press pass from the Dew, and I applied that to each section and brushed it through. Now, from the couple videos that I did watch, they said to have the clip, like the outside clip, facing forward. So that really helped me when it came to curling my hair, because like I said, I'm a complete beginner, a novice. And so that really helped me make sure my curls were at least going in the same direction, and it made sure that I was curling like away from my face. I also misspoke earlier. I was going to wand curl my hair with the 3/8, but I ended up going with the 3/4. I just wanted to clear that up. It took me about 45 minutes to curl my entire head, which I don't mind because this was my first time doing it. I sprayed it with Verb Ghost hairspray, and I let it sit while I finished getting ready. I didn't want to cause any frizz, so I used Olaplex number 7. I applied that to my hair and to my fingertips, and I separated each curl as if it was a flexi rod or perm rod. And I think this was just the best way for me to separate without causing any frizz, even though I was really nervous that my hair was gonna like revert. That is just my biggest fear, honestly. know if you could tell how shocked I am by these results, but y'all, I never expected for my hair to turn out like this. Like, I don't know if you noticed, but halfway through, I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna style this once I'm done curling it. But y'all, on blown out hair, my first time? Oh gosh, I can feel myself converting. Okay, I've gotta go. I may check in tomorrow. I don't know how I'm going to keep this, but I'm about to be outside for the rest of the day for at least 2 to 3 hours. It is a little cooler. It's probably about 50 degrees today in North Carolina. So, wish me luck. We're going to see how this goes tomorrow, but at least I know, like, going forward, I could probably put some flexi rods in it to, like, hold the curl. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, 360. Okay, I gotta go. You guys, I had to come back the next day. I think I said I was gonna do that. So all I did was pineapple my hair last night. Me, pineapple? Never works. But as you can see, like, it still looks pretty good. I am obsessed. We just unlocked a new level in my natural hair journey. I never thought that I could effectively use a curling iron on just blown out hair. I don't know why I thought that, because it gets just as hot as a flat iron. But you know, if it wasn't the chase method, I just thought I couldn't get my hair to look like this. And the fact that it still has curl, I was outside last night in the elements. It's quite windy, and look at it. It is a little big, but I like it. I love it. Shout out to Ghost Hairspray, because the curls are still there. I don't know how I'm gonna maintain it tonight. We'll see. But one rule of thumb for me is I don't like to put more heat on my hair once I have straightened it. But I may not use this hot curling iron, but I just might try my air wrap, just because I feel like it's cooler. I can use it at a lower temperature. But that's a completely different video. Definitely check out my month-long hair vlogs if you want to see how this continues. But first experience, I feel like I outdid myself. Shout out to Tracy, shout out to Pattern Beauty, because I never would have even considered purchasing a curling iron, if I can be completely honest, if it wasn't from Pattern Beauty or like a black owned brand. So thank you. You have inspired me. I hope I have encouraged someone to try something different with their natural hair, because y'all, look at Fred. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I will see you guys really soon.